Turn off the breaker and confirm power is off before you touch any wiring to start installing new bathroom lighting fixtures safely and attractively. Begin by choosing a fixture that matches existing black hardware and the room scale so the light source, shade size, and mounting plate are proportionate to the vanity and ceiling height. Remove the old fixture after shutting off the circuit at the breaker and verifying with a non-contact voltage tester that wires are de-energized. Then support the old fixture while disconnecting to avoid stressing the electrical box. Inspect the electrical box for damage and confirm it is securely fastened to a joist or a support brace. Replace a cracked or plastic box with a metal box rated for the fixture weight and for wet locations if it sits over a sink or tub. When connecting wires, match colors and secure with twist connectors, then wrap connections with electrical tape for mechanical security and tuck gently into the box so no bare conductors touch the fixture body. Use light-emitting diode bulbs with the recommended base and wattage and select a correlated color temperature around 2700 to 3000 Kelvin for a warm, flattering vanity light, or 3500 Kelvin for a cleaner, crisp task light. Seal any ceiling or wall penetrations with a bead of silicone rated for interior use where the fixture meets the surface to prevent moisture ingress, and paint the repair if needed to match the existing finish. A common mistake is not shutting off the correct breaker or relying only on the wall switch, so always turn off the breaker and verify 0 voltage at all conductors before proceeding. Another frequent issue is undersized support hardware which causes sagging or box damage, so verify the fixture weight and use a reinforced mounting bracket or support brace when needed. A third problem is choosing bulbs with the wrong color temperature or too high a lumen output that creates glare. So pick light-emitting diode bulbs in the recommended wattage equivalent and a color temperature that complements existing black finishes and skin tones. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project pages to compare styles, materials, and budgets, so we help you plan lighting upgrades. We also help contractors find work and grow their local presence, and we host a discussion community where installers and homeowners share real-world tips and recommendations.